Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial I'll walk you through how to add a clickable hyperlink to your email, whether you are sending a professional message or just sharing a cool website with a friend. Let's jump right in. To begin, open Gmail on your computer and click the Compose button. This is typically located in the top left corner of your Gmail screen and may look like a plus sign or a pen icon. Once clicked, a new message window will appear. This is where you write your email. Now, go ahead and write your message. Add your greeting, fill in the body text, and finish it with a sign off. It's best to write your full email before inserting a link so that everything flows naturally and you know exactly where the hyperlink should go. Next, decide which part of your message should be turned into a hyperlink. Instead of pasting a long raw URL, it looks more cleaner to link it to a relevant text. So, select the text you want to hyperlink by clicking and dragging your mouse over it. Once highlighted, you're ready to move on. With your text still selected, locate the link icon. It usually looks like a small chain link and sits among the formatting tools near bold and italic. Click it and a small box will appear prompting you to paste the website address. Now paste the full URL into the field provided and make sure it's correct. A quick check here can prevent broken or incorrect links later. Once the URL is added, click the Apply or OK button to confirm. Your selected text will now appear underlined in a different color, signaling that the hyperlink has been successfully inserted. Before hitting send, try clicking the hyperlink yourself. Gmail lets you preview inside the composer. This helps ensure everything works smoothly for your recipient. And that's it, guys. You have just added a hyperlink to your email in a clean, professional way. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.